Welcome everyone once again. Marina, this is MGM and we'll give it a second try. The response was incredible. I was quite shocked. I didn't expect that at all. So the idea for today is to go all over my makeup bag and figure out which are the products that I cannot live without. First thing I have to show you are these. These are blotting sheets. They help me get my touch-ups throughout the day and they're really useful on a hot summer day. Another product that I cannot go without is cream blush. I always carry on a nudie blush. This is from MAC and this is in the color So Natural. What I love about cream blushes is that you don't really need a brush. So you can use your fingers and you're good to go. That's for blush. Then I have cream highlight. Again, you can put this with your fingers. This is a cream highlighter from MAC in the color Pearl. It's the best thing you can have because you just rub your fingers, you tap it into the high points of your cheek, on your nose, on your forehead, your chin, and it's really small, so it's perfect. Another of the products I carry with me is this little guy right here. This is the City Mini palette from Maybelline in the color Rooftop Bronzes, and I've told you already in my Maybelline favorites that I really like to carry this little palette because of the colors, because of the shades, and because of its size. It's really small and you can do your touch up with it. I don't really bring like a full size brush kit, but I have a little brush kit like this one that you can find in drugstores. It's like a little travel size mini brush kit. So if you can tell, there are little brushes like this ones, and you can use them with the eyeshadow palette just to make some touch-ups, put some darkness on the outer corners, or just put a little more of highlight in the tear duct or all over the lid. It's perfect. So travel size brushes are really a winner. I don't carry on loose powder. That would be quite dangerous if you ask me, but what I do carry is this Fenty Beauty blotting powder. It is from Rihanna's brand, and this is completely translucent and it helps you not only to get your touch-ups but also to set the makeup you put on, mostly because I've mentioned to you 2 cream products and you really need to set them. And you use it with a little sponge like this one just to tap it all over the face, get it done. Well, for foundation, I don't really carry one, but I do carry on concealer. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind. It's great. I really like the spongy applicator. I've already told you that, and it helps me get and correct the under eye area or just like color correct. I usually use this as a foundation when I'm on the mood of a no makeup look, so that's why I carry this on, because it doesn't matter when it is, I always use it as concealer or just pretend it's foundation. So I really love this product. What else? I have this little version of a liquid eyeliner. This is from the brand Kat Von D. It's a tattoo liner, but as you can see, the felt tip will help us touch up our upper lash eyeliner. Want a little more drama, we also do a wing with it. It's really practical and really tiny and small. I have also a mini version of the Roller Lash Mascara by Benefit. That's one of my favorite mascaras out there, and the fact that they come in travel size, it's everything. The wand is exactly the same you get in a regular size, so the only thing that changes is really the component. It's the only thing that changes. For lips, what I do always carry around are nude lip products. I have always a liquid lipstick which is nude. This is Mannequin from Jeffree Star. Always nude. And a gloss. I cannot leave my house without a gloss. This is from Fenty Beauty in the color Fussy. It's really beautiful. You can never go wrong with one of these. What else do I have? For touch-ups while I'm doing the makeup is just having a little bit of makeup remover. I usually have this one. This is a mini size of the Lancome Facil cleanser. This is like a travel mini size. Once you finish your bottle, you can also refill it with the same product or another one, another cleanser, another makeup remover. And it's really great when you have to correct things. You know, I love my setting mists, so I do have a little Fix Plus. It's perfect. And this little guy right here is watermelon scented. It's really fresh. It's beautiful and it's really good in summertime. Nowadays, we do need to carry sanitizer. Please don't forget, we need to stay healthy. This is the sanitizer I have. I will talk about the component. It's so cute. This will also come in the makeup bag. So guys, this is it. I mean, that are the products that I cannot live without. I cannot leave my house without. I definitely carry a lot of different things in my makeup bag. I have concealer, I have blush, highlighter, setting mist, shadows, blotting powder, just lip products, and a few things more. I'm leaving you here on my social media so you can follow me. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm uploading new content every single week. So please stay healthy and safe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.